Tesla semi-factory looks nearly complete. The Tesla semi-factory looks like it is nearing completion. Based on recent images taken of the facility, it appears that the Semi's initial production might be right on schedule. This was, at least, as per recent observations from a veteran Tesla watcher who has long been chronicling the progress of the facility. Tesla semi-factory today. As per longtime Tesla semi-advocate Heinrich Zane, the Class 8 all-electric trucks factory in Nevada looks almost completed. The facility's exterior looks finished, which suggests that much of the work being done today is likely focused on the factory's interior and equipment. This was highlighted in recent photos taken by the drone operator, which show that the facility's parking lots are now filled with vehicles. A photo taken before dawn also highlighted just how refined the factory has become over the past months. Needless to say, it appears that the factory is all but ready to start the initial production of the Tesla Semi. Got a new Tesla Giga Semi-factory pre-dawn flight coming. Deliveries and targets. Tesla has stated that the Semi-factory will start producing the Class 8 all-electric truck by 2026. This was stressed by Elon Musk in a previous comment on X, when he stated that Tesla Semi will be in volume production next year. Once ramped, the facility will be capable of producing about 50,000 Tesla Semi units annually. This should help the Semi disrupt and potentially saturate the United States transport sector. Progress in the Tesla Semi factory has been notable in the past months. Just a few months ago, drone footage of the site revealed that Tesla was shipping extremely large production equipment into the facility. These included what appeared to be a gigantic stamping machine that was so large and heavy that it was shipped to the Semi-factory using 2 diesel trucks and a triple trailer. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.